Welcome guys, this is Y6P 2020 model. We will replace charging port and mic sub board. Eject SIM tray. Remove back cover of phone. Remove with carefully because fingerprint scanner is attached with back cover. Do not damage fingerprint scanner flex. Remove screws from ringer buzzer loudspeaker. Remove ringer buzzer. Disconnect antenna wire. On this subboard is mic. Ringer buzzer connection. Hands-free port. Subflex connected with subboard. Disconnect subflex connector. Remove pull-out charging port and mic subboard. This is vibrator connection. Install new charging port and mic subboard in the body. Connect subflex connector. Connect antenna wire. Install ringer buzzer. Put back screws on ringer buzzer loudspeaker. Install back cover of phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. All you have done successfully. Thank you for watching.